80 to 90% of men are unattractive to women. This is a fact. It has been proven by statistics. And in this video, I want to give you 4 reasons why most men are actually unattractive to women. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Number 1 is your looks. Most guys, they look horrible. They look horrible. And this is me saying it in a no homo way, because 5 years ago, I was one of the most unattractive men in the world. I was almost the king of unattractive men because I was slightly overweight, not like right now, but I was overweight. I had no muscles. I didn't have any sense of style. I was like a homeless person. And there are a few things that most men get wrong when it comes to looks. You don't have to be 6 foot. You don't have to be 6 feet tall for you to become an attractive person. All you need to do is, number 1, fix the way you look by going to the gym. Build on a frame that looks like a man. This will be the number 1 thing that will catapult you to being the top 20% of the men, because most guys are overweight. Number 2 is smelling good. I used to smell like a goat. I used to smell like a goat. Even in high school, a lot of my friends used to tell me, bro, what the fuck? Why are you smelling like this? I didn't even know that you need to shower a lot of the times. You need to use deodorant. You need to have like a cologne. You need to smell nice. And the moment I shifted this, I noticed that people wanted to hang around me because I am smelling nice. And also, people associate smelling nice with status. Because think about it. Even me, when now I think about it in hindsight. When I was in high school, the guys that used to smell good, I used to assume that they were rich. For some reason, if you are just smelling good, people think, oh, this guy has money. Oh, why are you smelling so good like this? And then when you're smelling bad, hey, people assume, oh, what the fuck? This guy works in a quarry. Well, I don't want to do anything with you. So, number 1 is go to the gym. Number 2, fix how you smell. And then number 3, wear some nice clothes. For me right now, I can rock a tank top and still go to a date where I'm just wearing this wife beater, a short, some nice shoes, and I still go to a date and I still pull bad bitches. And I still pull them because the physique is what I'm wearing. But if you don't have a physique to wear, you need to wear fitting clothes. Wear something that shows your body how it looks. Not overly tight, not overly baggy, something that fits you. Something that shows who you are, because people judge you instantly by the way you look. Number 2 is behaviors. Needy behaviors. Oh my God, I was the king of the simps. I used to approach every woman with this mindset of, oh, smiling like this. I will do everything that you say. I will be the good boy. I will do everything because you are the princess. Imagine this. I used to invite girls to my place. And before they even show up, I used to clean, I used to cook, I used to treat it like an event. Imagine when they don't show up. You have put in all this effort. It used to pain me. But that is because I was acting needy. I was double texting, triple texting. I was calling girls every day. I was doing all this simpy bullshit. And obviously, women don't really want something that is easy as that, where they know, oh, I already have this guy. And another needy behavior is overthinking. Oh, what is she doing? Bro, what are you doing thinking about women? What are you doing thinking about women? What they are doing? If she flakes on you, you become so butthurt because you are so invested. You are so needy. I really want you. I really need you. If she flakes on you, you don't check her. You are the next day calling her. Hey, what happened? Oh, I forgive you. Please come over. Blah, 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 blah. That is nonsense. I'm telling you, you need to relax. Needy behavior is the number 1 killer of attractiveness. Even if you are the most good-looking guy, if you have needy behaviors, you're fucked. You will just play with your dick all day until it dies. So relax, approach a lot of women, have a roster, or even if it's not a roster, talk to 20 women, 30 women, 40 women at once where you are texting them, they are all DMing you. You will see the difference. If you don't know how to do that, start approaching women and take better photos, post them on your IG and dating apps, and you'll get so many options. Number 3 is the fact that you have nothing going on for you. What do I mean by this? And before you go to the comments and say, oh, women date losers all the time, it means that the women that you are actually attracted to, you are not in the level where you are attracting them. And so you become obviously unattractive to those women. Now, you might still get some play by some girls who are just average and they really don't have nothing going on in their lives. When I say nothing, I mean in terms of beauty. So if you want to have these hot chicks fawning for you, seeing you and just salivating, ooh, I want a piece of that, then you must have something going on in your life. And this shows up in the way you even carry yourself. If you have a business to run, if you don't have a lot of time to give to these women, the way you carry yourself is different than the guy who has nothing going on. You'll find that if you really have nothing going on, you're going to be needy, you're going to have a lot of time to pursue women, you're going to just be there. And I used to be that guy. And in fact, the more time you have to chase women, the less women you get. And the less time you have, these women will beg for you. They will come knocking at your door just so that they can have a piece of your attention. So you need to be out here in the real world building real things. Otherwise, you will get fucked over and over and over again by guys who are attractive because they go to the gym, they wear nice clothes, they smell nice, and they have something going on in their lives. Those are the 4 main reasons why most of the guys are unattractive to women. If you got value from this video, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.